This is the Tech Hub project, and we have the video tutorial for additive manufacturing processes. Okay, on this video we will discuss the product 12. I will download the ECL for this product, and let's see what we do on this. First of all, I will open the Ultimaker Cura software and import the ECL on the software from the download files. Okay, so here is the plant buses. Okay, first thing is to rotate the part. Yes, so I will take the rotate and say face align. So this will be my face align, and here should be 0 and 0. Yes. So this is very big part, you see, so we can scale it or we can print on this. We take a look that we have some surfaces that on first look need a support, but if we put support on these grooves, it will be very hard to remove this support, and it will be almost impossible to remove it from inside, because inside it's almost same shape like on exterior. So in this case we don't put the support structure, but we will decrease the speed of printing and we will increase the quality. So let's put the parameters. We will choose a fine profile, and this means the quality will be same as 10 millimeters. So it will be 10 millimeters. The shell will be 1 millimeters, 2 layers. The infill will be 50. No, 30 will be enough. Grid type pattern. Yes. Material will be 210 degree of extruder and 60 degree for the build plate. The speed will be, I will decrease the speed and I will decrease it to 40, and the infill speed also for 40, and the wall speed and initial layer speed to 20 millimeters per second, in order to print it very slow. Cooling will be enabled, the travel retraction will be enabled, the support will be not available, the build plate with no option, and these are the parameters, and just slice it. It will take a long time to print, and the material consuming will be also big, because the part is big. It will take, I think, 50 hours or something like this. Let's see. We will simulate the process and we will see how long and how what will be the material usage for this product. Just wait to slicing the product, and after that we will analyze the results of this print process. It will take a while, because the file has complex surfaces, and for software it's take a time to slice it and generate the code. So, how I said, it takes 57 hours and consume 208 grams of material, and if we convert it in a cost in euro, it's €5.03. Just go to preview and we will see how this part will look, and also way to process the preview for this part, how it will look on printing version. So this is how it will be look after it will be printed, and you can see here each layer, and the layers are very smooth, because the quality is, and the height of each layer is 0, 1, and the product will be of very good quality. Just save it, yes, on desktop, and save bus plant pots. Save. I will save it. Yes, it's saved. After that, we switch to a second software, to the Zortex M300 Plus. Take a start new project, add file, and from downloads we upload the ECL. Of course, it will came in the same position, and we will rotate it. Yes, rotate place by place and select the bottom face. After that, go to printing settings, and here will remain Zortex material, ZHIBs. For support, I will put editable. Yes, why? Because I want to decide by myself if I want support or not. Yes, so I put editable, and I will choose to not generate the support. You will see in few moments. The nozzle is 0.4 always. The layer thickness, I will kept 0.19 here because it's a very big part, and the quality normal. Yes, it will be enough. The type of trajectory normal and the pattern perpendicular or pattern 1. The infill 30%. 5 layers on top surface, 5 layers on bottom surface. The seam or the layer switch to be random, and the first layer gap to be 0.3 millimeters and the platform raft gap 0.25 millimeters. Support. So now the software is prepared to generate support, and it's prepared the file to add manually the support or generate by myself. But I will skip these options and my part will be generated without support. You will see it after the preparing support data will be ready. So just wait a few moments to software perform this process of preparing the support. It will take a time because the part has complex surfaces and the software should generate the trajectory and the surfaces for on each potential layer of this part, and just wait for it. Okay, so here is the option to generate editable support. So from here, I can choose the angle of hang-on surfaces. I can increase pillar stability. Yes, I can put just from raft supports and I can generate, or I can add it manually. But I will go to preview without click on generate button. Yes, so the software said you don't add the support. You want to do it without support, and I will say yes, I want to generate this file without support. So this is the options with editable support, and this is the case when on part that needs support, I prefer to don't add the supports and print it with our supports, because here the angle is not big. If you remember, there are 15 degrees. Yes, so it's 90 from here to here, but if I will take each surface, it's 15 degrees, so it's not a big angle of hang-on surfaces, and the software and the printer is able to generate these surfaces on this angle. So just wait to slicing the part, and after that we will see the preview of the part and we analyze it, and after that we will save the Z code in order to put it on Zortex printer. So the slicing process is almost ready. After that it will prepare the preview process, and after that it will be available. Now generating the pet, yes, and now generating the preview. And this is how the part will be built without support. You can observe this, and you can see here is 30 hours and 90 minutes for printing and 203 grams of materials. So in this case, it's also most convenient to print on Zortex printer this part, because it takes less time and less material. Okay, this is the part without support. So this is how we will print it and how it will look like. Okay, after we check it, we go to export file, and of course on desktop I will export the Vasisland pods and save this. After saving, it will be appear here. It's just save the file now, and we'll go see the files on desktop. Both file for both printers, for 3D Creator and for the Zartrax printer. Thank you for watching this video with you.